A cry unto God will be a deliverance for somebody, because in our team suffer as a parading and Bible send and sang yet ya say and swaggy and a soon yet say and tenema and Bible. Suffer me de here them na match was soon a macan sama casiani near hinta maybe a child. Atene for bompire me yanko poma subwe netie won na mensa aya crado say a bedchi won. You didn't want to us for a yanko ponson to say Zion Bepa, on him de Biarada, Sania, and me pocha Jerusalem Weshiano, Sarah and a minyanko ponso me charming mahu esia. Me shamobo, semebo, me crow, me Dimitrini nympha, me bomb hopai, munam jemwa me no befim, as a munam so measure say, and subonte and mon famo crasso, minyanko pon, me natum abuam na mababe sramo, and nunti bra when yamitani ye no mumfano. Eye senia yeso so da ye free say or the sister share ya funumu ma de nyom foforo a share ya funumu ma aye ye nyom aneto nanso safo ya some time ago omo kan say ye be ye den ya to ye nyankopon ho nyom e bra ye wana nafo asase sui. Some of us ye hu anigye da ye nigye ye kakra bi enne osre wo chena no osu ne life no aba be ye upside down. Obintimi hu anigye nto aso be ye 1 year da. Obintimi hu ade power na brabom be ye some month bi da. Anigye ne ba kakra bi na abreho abeto aso. Anigye ne ba kakra bi na ne ya abeto aso. You don't see any peace in your life. You don't see any joy in your life. You don't see any good thing happening to your life. Papa say, nothing is growing. Nothing is growing in your life. Such a man carries potential. Sani pan won ne power anymore. Now should be repeat. Your friend a dumb. Listen. No, they can for can ye pass a dumb. Listen, your son.